So as we all know that words are very much powerful. They inspire us, they change, and they gives us a challenge which helps in developing the world.
Social lives, where are we? How it teaches us ethics and politics. English teaches us how to communicate, how to feel and express your feelings.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Khushbu and my topic is impact of tourism on a particular country.
So, greeting and salutation. This side is Naveen and I am here to discuss about a topic. Firstly, I want to get the feedback from you, all of you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Akash and today I am going to speak about the topic which is capital punishments to the criminals deteriorates.
My name is Lavanya and today I am speaking on the topic that voting age should not increase.
Everyone, my name is Muhammad Irfan. So my topic is, should we have multiple parties in politics or should we have only two political parties in politics?
My name is Sapna and I am here to deliver a speech. And my topic is, should death penalty be abolished or not?